Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn Unit 5, A Place to Call Home. First thing first, I want to say hi to my 3 UPM. Hello everyone. How are you? Selamat Hari Raya. So, enough with Raya already. Let's learn Unit 5 today. Okay, let's look at Unit 5, page 57. Okay, so if you can see here, these are the cave houses. You know what is cave? Cave is gua. So, rumah-rumah ni dia buat dalam gua. So, for this Unit 5, A Place to Call Home, maksud dia tempat yang kita panggil rumah or tempat tinggal. Okay? So, let's look at page 58. Alright. Reading. A. Let's look at this question. What kind of problems can buildings have? Okay, apa jenis masalah bangunan yang ada pada bangunan? Who fixes them? Okay, siapa yang baiki? Match the problem 1 to 5. Okay, so 1 to 5 ni adalah problem. Problem yang buildings selalu dapat, yang selalu ada. With the person from A to E. Okay, so A to E ni adalah orang-orang yang boleh fix buildings. So for example, number 1. The bathroom light doesn't work. So kalau bathroom light, lampu toilet tak boleh berfungsi, so kita panggil siapa? Is it a builder, a cleaner, electrician, painter or plumber? Okay, so padankan saja. Number 1, A ka, B ka, C ka, D ka, E. Okay? Okay, so that is for exercise A. We move on to page 60. Alright, page 60, vocabulary. Okay, A. Label the pictures with these words. Block of flats, bungalow, castle, cottage, detached house, semi-detached house, tent, terraced house. Okay, so if you do not know what are these words, you can Google them. Okay, when you done Google the meanings of these words, label these pictures with all the words in this yellow box. Alright, for example, number 1. What is this? What is this? Is it a bungalow, a castle, a cottage, or a tent? So you have to label. So for example, number 1, castle, like that, right? So that is exercise A. We move on to B. Circle the odd ones out. Okay, so bulatkan yang pelik. Okay, contoh, for example, number 1, bedroom, garden, bathroom. Okay, so antara 3 ni, mana satu yang tak sesuai ada dalam grup ni? Right? Adakah bedroom or is it garden or bathroom? Okay, so you have to circle benda yang tak sesuai berada dalam group 1. Okay, so sama juga sampai number 6. Alright, so we move on to exercise C. Choose the correct answers to complete the sentences. Number 1. When we go camping, I'll rely on you to put up the... So you have to choose. Is it A, tent, B, ceiling, or C, terraced house. Okay, so just fill in the blanks. All right. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope that you can finish your work on time, and I will share the answers in our WhatsApp group. So I will see you again next time. Happy learning!